Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I've got an interesting story. When I tried to use Midjourney for image generation, I got a message saying they couldn't offer a free trial due to high demand. This led me to search for a free alternative, and I discovered Leonardo AI. Now, introducing leonardo.ai, a rapidly evolving AI that rivals Midjourney. Notably, it offers free image rights. Unlike Midjourney, it is $10 per month charge. In this video, I will explain why I switched to Leonardo AI, its advantages over Midjourney, and how you can start earning with the free Leonardo AI app today. To begin with, obtaining early access to Leonardo AI is essential. I won't be demonstrating it at this moment, but there is no need to fret. I have created a video titled How to Get Early Access to Leonardo AI in Under 5 Minutes. It is a straightforward and uncomplicated, offering a step-by-step walkthrough. Leonardo AI is a web app eliminating the need for a Discord account, which is more convenient than Midjourney. It uses a token system, offering 150 tokens daily, allowing you to create 150 high-quality images daily. So, here on the homepage, you can check out the works of other users and see for yourself that Leonardo creates super high-quality images. Click AI Image Generation on the left panel to start. Input your prompt in the field provided. Choose from a wide range of models, including user-created community models. You can also add a negative prompt to specify what you don't want in the image. Notably, there are tabs for image generation and prompt generation, a feature not available in Midjourney. This tool helps generate more complex prompts from simple ones. In the main settings, you can select the number of images per prompt, with 4 being the recommended choice. There is a Prompt Magic V2 option in beta testing that improves prompt adherence and allows you to adjust high contrast and prompt magic strength. Image resolution is best at 1024 by 1024 pixels. The guidance scale determines how closely the image matches the prompt. 7 to 8 is ideal. Tiling is useful for textures or patterns. You can upload reference images in image to image and image prompt. So, personally, I find Leonardo AI much more convenient and pleasant to use than Midjourney. As promised, I will now demonstrate a way to monetize Leonardo AI. We will create a product, a pattern, using Leonardo AI, which we can then sell on Etsy. This unique image combines 2 pictures into one. I will walk you through the process and then you can sell images like this on Etsy. So, we are in Leonardo AI. And on the left, I select 4 variations. Then, I turn on Prompt Magic and High Contrast. I choose a resolution of 1024 by 1024. And most importantly, don't forget to enable tiling. Now, let us write our prompt. I will write something like repeating pattern, Vincent van Gogh style illustration, vector hand drawn, red, blue, orange, and yellow moon, oil painting, and click generate. Now, it's generating images for us, and what I notice is that it takes a bit longer than Midjourney. Once we get 4 image variations, we click on the one we like. Here, unlike Midjourney, we have a lot of functions to manipulate our image. We can delete the image, download the image, and zoom image. Honestly, I don't even know what this is. And farther on, we can remove the background if needed. Even farther to the right, we are offered several image upscaling options: Creative Upscale, Upscale Image Alternate, HD Smooth Upscaler, and HP Crisp Upscale. They differ slightly from one another. Now, I will choose HP Crisp Upscale. We will need to wait a bit, and after that, we have a finished image that we can sell. After creating the product, let us explore an exciting selling method. We can sell these patterns as physical products through Printify, eliminating the need to handle packing and shipping ourselves. Here's how it works. On the Printify website, select a canvas, click Start Designing, and upload your image to the blank canvas. Since it is a pattern, choose Create Pattern and select Print on Sides. preview the final product's appearance. You can also apply your image to various other products like tough cases, t-shirts, bags, and more. All that is left for you to do is to list your product on Etsy and start making money. That's all, everyone. If you'd like to watch similar videos in the future, I kindly request you that you please subscribe to our channel. In our channel, you'll discover a variety of AI tools and learn how to make the most of them. Every day brings new opportunities with AI. If you found this video informative, please share your thoughts in the comments section below. And again, remember to hit that subscribe button. We are looking forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you for watching.